Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the artificial intelligence platform, Snazzy. So, content marketing is exploding because it's effective and affordable. But today, it's still a pain for small businesses to create compelling content. Well, Snazzy changes that by helping you do what you do best. Run your business by creating professional content on your behalf. So, Snazzy is built to help you easily create unique, beautiful content and get it in front of the right customers. So let Snazzy produce more relevant, effective content in less time so you can spend more time growing your business. So signing up is completely free. And now that we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can focus on your content expander. So we're going to start going over here and clicking on the tools section. And then we're going to click here on the content expander. So when you first sign up, it's going to ask you a wide variety of questions, which is basically going to take those answers and it's going to help form that really good content that you can use. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick a topic. We're going to say HubSpot Academy courses and a little bit about it so that it can help expand that is we're going to say HubSpot Academy courses and online certifications. And then once you have that, we're going to go ahead, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click create. And it's not plagiarizing, so you can go ahead, you can blog this, post this on your website, and it does in fact happen within minutes, and it's completely free. So as you can see here, you scroll down and it has some information about what we were talking about with HubSpot Academy. And like I said, you can go ahead and you can copy and paste it anywhere. So it definitely helps take care of that writer's block that you may or may not have. And if you feel like your content just hasn't reached its full potential, Snazzy will definitely help you reach that. So of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Everyone, have a nice day.